As a cocktail, the martini is like the blues. The basics are easy, but to master it, that's a real art. I've come down to the Connaught to meet Perrone. He's one of the world's best bartenders, and he's going to teach me how to make the perfect martini. I absolutely love martinis, and I think I know everything about them, but I think this man, Aggo, is going to prove me wrong. He's just written this amazing cocktail book, so you're going to teach me the do's and don'ts of making the perfect martini.
So we need the mixing glass, bar spoon strainer, martini glass, and a very good quality ice. You chill the mixing glass.
You're so much better at stirring.
But you told me you were good.
No, I'll take my vodka out of the freezer. Oh.
Okay, doing well, doing well. Then we strain the excess of water to don't add extra dilution into the drink.
Okay. Well, and try not to break the glass, because they are incredibly expensive.
And we add 1 part of vermouth. So at the Connaught bar, the ratio for the Connaught martini is 5 to 1. 1 part is 15 millimeters. So we take the measure. And 15 millimeters is the first line here. So I'll do for me.
Thank you.
And I'll let you do for yourself.
I'm trying not to spill it.
It's okay.
History.
Nobody's watching you.
I have history of spilling on camera, so there we go.
See? But then once you are in a Connaught bar, you absorb the costume.
Absorb the excellence.
And you will be fantastic, don't worry. And then we add the gin.
Okay.
I know that you love the Connaught bar so much. You
do.
are in the spirits of the Connaught bar.
Yes.
Therefore, we use the Connaught bar gin.
And what's your take on the preference between gin or vodka? What difference does it make?
I think that is all about the guest. What is their preference, first of all. My personal preference is gin. I do drink vodka as well.
Okay.
If I had to go
Do you think it's a little bit more flavour in the gin?
Yeah,
or?
there is more botanicals, more aromas that ultimately combined with the vermouth and the bitters, they create a more nuances of flavor.
Okay, great. So how much of this are we putting in?
This is 5 part, so if 15 millimeter is 1 part, 5 part is 75.
Yeah. Why the long pour?
No, this is not a long pour. The long pour is coming later. This is just a normal pour.
I'm going to spill it somewhere.
You don't have to go high.
Is this does it make any difference? So is it right the way to the top?
You stay closer to the mixing glass so you avoid any spillage.
So just right to the top?
Voila, yeah, go. Fantastic.
There we go. Huzzah.
Voila.
Okay.
So at the Connaught we have 5 different infusion, bitters, they are tincture, which each of them they have a specific flavor, and each of them kind of match with your mood. Voila, here we go.
Okay, nice. And which one is this?
This is Dr. Aggo, which is a combination of ginseng and bergamot.
Okay, fantastic.
You can use any aromatic bitters that you find on the market. Bob's work with us since the very beginning.
Okay.
So we have.
How much am I putting in? Is that too much?
2 pipettes. Go.
Okay. Two. Okay.
Yeah, go for it. I like that you follow precisely the.
Look, I'm with
the instruction.
I'm potentially with the best bartender in town. I've got to do it right.
Yeah, no pressure.
Okay.
A bit more, a bit more.
Bit more? Okay.
You see, when you execute a cocktail, or for yourself, or in front of the guest, or in front of the mirror, if you put attention in every single step that you do, how you touch the equipment, how you put the bitter, how you stir, add already this sense of respect for the drink, which reflects in the final taste, but also it looks very pleasant for the guest at home or at the bar. So the eyes must be pleased before then the nose and the palate. Shall we stir it?
Yes. So what am I doing wrong with my technique? Because I can't stir like you.
No, let's try again. I think that's... Okay, try to keep your other hands on the bottom of the mixing glass.
So I don't warm up the ice.
Yeah, and stay just, exactly, in front of the mixing glass so you're more
Try not to
straight
do
and
it.
elegant.
Okay, I'm getting there. Oh,
Getting there. When you pour the liquid, it's much easier stir rather
Yeah.
than only the ice. I think that we're done.
fantastic. Oh, wow. God, that smells incredible.
So now when you squeeze the lemon, I
Yeah.
suggest that you use the thumb and the middle finger, and you put the index behind.
Okay.
So when you squeeze, there is only the light oil coming out,
Okay.
and you don't break any skin.
With it. Okay.
Okay,
And so,
so-
where am I squeezing it over? Into the glass or into the? Into
Yeah,
the
but when we pour,
Okay. So not yet.
no, yeah, I was teaching you a little bit of squeezing
I
detail.
didn't- Who knew? There's a way to squeeze a lemon properly. Okay.
1, 2, 3. And go up, go up. Now go with the lemon.
Oh God, on the table.
You see, making martini cocktail is like a little bit going into deep meditation.
I thought you were going to say like
with a
making love, and I was like,
No.
whoa.
No, you need to be confident with the technique because you want to add as much passion as possible to every single step of the process.
Okay.
So, as you notice, the lemon oil was squeezed for a little bit far away to allow only the light one to hug the glass gently
Okay.
without having too many dots floating on the top.
I gotta say, this looks pretty good. Should we give it a go? Cheers, Ego.
Salute!
Salute. It's the best martini I've had all day.
Maybe
Breakfast
I
didn't
should,
cut
try,
it.
I should try it as well.
I think yours
I
is-
will judge it. Yeah, you had a good teacher. Bravo, David. Bravo.
Bravo.
Bravo.